All it has now, my buddy said he has the airbox off, and I don't know, something else. But this is what it does whenever you hit the button. Oh shit. Now I'm not sure, but he said that something that clicking is the valves being too tight or something like that. I'm not sure.